For the very first time since 2020, Bitcoin has reached a very significant support. In this video, we are going to take a look at what exactly was that support and what could be the consequences for Bitcoin for breaking that support. And also there are a couple of other patterns that the Bitcoin price has broken with the weekly closure this week. With that being said, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham. Every day on this channel, I teach you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, guys, if you want to join a premium channel, please reach out to me on my Telegram. My Telegram is given on the pinned comment. So, guys, without further ado, let's jump on straight into the video. So, guys, at this point of time, the Bitcoin price is trading at around $38,900 today. It made a low of about $38,200. We haven't reached the $38,000 mark yet, but I just feel that's just a matter of time before we reach that. The first important level that I want to highlight in today's video is this particular level, guys. What is this? We are on the Bitcoin 3-day chart currently, and what we are seeing is the red line is the 200 period simple moving average or the 600 day simple moving average as well. We have discussed multiple times that a death cross is coming on this particular chart and it could be disastrous for the Bitcoin price. But what we are seeing currently is, for the first time since the COVID crash of 2020, Bitcoin actually closed a body of a candle below this red line. What you can see right here is the candle that we closed yesterday closed at a level of 39,467, which was lower than this particular moving average, which is currently coming in at about $40,000, right? $40,100 approximately, guys. What is the consequences of this? If we look left on the chart, I have highlighted this in the past as well, that a 50% correction, guys, generally happens whenever we close a candle below this. So for example, if you just take a look here also we got a dip of about 45 or 46%, but this was a black swan event, guys. Remember that. When was the last time that in a bear market we broke this? That was back in 2018, okay? And what happened back in 2018? How much did we fall by? We fell by approximately 51% from the 200 period simple moving average. What is the 200 period simple moving average? Currently it's at $40,000. So a fall of 50% would take us to the lows of $20,000, guys, okay? Do I feel $20,000 is on the cards? Personally, I do not feel so, but of late I have been watching a lot of videos from experts, from professional traders, and one of the videos I just saw was about a professional trader who had actually compared the Bitcoin price with the price of the Amazon back during the .com bubble. So if you want to watch that video, go down to the comment section and comment Amazon, and I will prepare that video and I'll explain to you completely in detail what the trader has said and what are the similarities between the Amazon chart back in 2000, 2001 and the Bitcoin chart of today. Okay, so do make sure you comment down below. Now this is the first pattern which is expecting a 50% crash, guys. Again, I'm repeating, this crash will not happen at one go. There will be multiple times when we will come down and then again we'll test another resistance and further we will fall. Apart from this significant chart pattern, what we have also done is we have actually broken through the very important pattern, right? What do you see right here? The yellow line is closure of the candles, and for the first time in 2022 we actually got a body of a candle closing below this particular yellow line, which is a part of the giant support that we are having, right? I won't be surprised if we go down to this level once more, $36,850 or $37,000 approximately, and we get a bounce. It is bound to happen, guys, right? Again, what you are seeing right here is we had on the date of 23rd of April, we broke below this yellow line. Then again, we went up and tested and treated it as a resistance on the 24th of April, and then currently we are seeing upfall to the downside. So this is not at all healthy, guys. Okay, some people are also drawing the bear flag from this bottoms. They're connecting just the body of the candle. That is also possible. If you're doing that, that is also fine. But again, the target for this bear flag, if I have discussed earlier also, is coming all the way to about $20,000, guys. I won't be surprised, guys, we go to $20,000 or near about, probably about the range of $24,000-$25,000 is what my prediction is. Again, my prediction is based on the fact that this time this Bitcoin can correct up to 75% from the top, and also that we will get a support on the 200 week. That is also very, very important, right? So apart from this particular pattern, there is another pattern which Bitcoin is currently playing out exactly in the same way which we did back in 2018, guys. Okay, what exactly is that pattern? Let us see that very, very quickly. Let me go back to the 2018 chart right here, and what you are seeing here is a trend line where we made continuous higher highs, right? And for this, what we'll do is we'll plot the 200-day simple moving average, which is absolutely critical. As I have mentioned multiple times that the 200-day plays a very, very critical role in determining the sentiments of the market. So right now what we are seeing is back in 2018, from February till about June, what was happening is Bitcoin was actually making these higher lows. Okay, so we drew a trend line right here and it was getting rejected from the 200-day. Now if you come to the present day, what is happening, guys, is we are actually getting these higher lows, as you can see right here, and we got a rejection of the 200-day. Now what had happened back in 2018 was once we took out this low, okay, that low in 2018 was at about $7,000 or $7,200. Once we took out this low, then Bitcoin took a free fall. Okay, please keep that in mind. Bitcoin took a free fall. Yes, after making this lower low, we did test the 200-day, got rejected one more time, guys. Okay, I'm saying this multiple number of times. A test of the 200-day is on the cards at any given point of time. Okay, so right now the 200-day is at about $47,700. Very, very much likely. Again, this is coming down, guys, right? This is coming down possibly at around when it reaches the $43,000, $44,000, $45,000, we may test it once more. But the level to watch out for in the Bitcoin price currently is the low that we made on 24th of January, which was about $33,000. Guys, if we make a low lower than this one, then we are in a lot of trouble, and this pattern of 2018 that we just discussed, this might actually play out, and a correction of about 50% from the 200-day is absolutely likely, guys. Okay, similarly, if we get a correction of 50% or 60% from this price, again, I feel that Bitcoin can go to the lows of $19,000 and $20,000. However, back in 2021, we actually made a video and told you that there are 3 reasons why Bitcoin can actually go to $14,000. If you haven't watched that video yet, click the eye icon on the screen right now. It's right on that top, and you can watch that video right now where we discussed reasons why we feel $14,000 is the most logical level of support for the Bitcoin price, right? It has never happened in the past that we have taken out the previous all-time high for the Bitcoin price. But now one of the 2 things could happen in the Bitcoin price which the Bitcoin has never done. What are the 2 things? Bitcoin has always found a support on the 200 week. That is number 1. And number 2, Bitcoin has never spent a bear market without correcting by at least 84-85 percentage points. Now, if $69,000 was the top, and if we do a quick measurement right here, you will be able to see that a 84-85% correction for the Bitcoin price could actually lead Bitcoin to the lows of about $10,500. Okay, do I feel $10,500 is on the cards? Personally, for me, I do not feel so, but guys, I've been watching a lot of videos, as I told you, of late, and this seems likely from the logic a professional trader was actually giving. I'll cover that very, very shortly. As discussed earlier, comment Amazon right down. If you comment Amazon, because he has compared the Amazon stock of 2001 with the Bitcoin price in 2022, and there are amazing similarities, guys. Okay, I don't want that to happen, but if that happens, if the flush out happens, things could get really, really bad, guys. Okay, So these are the few patterns which the Bitcoin price has broken. Currently, we are trading at about $38,800. Won't be surprised if we test the 200-day at any given point of time. That is always on the cards. What has happened apart from this? Apart from this, guys, if you go to the 5-day chart right here and if you plot the Gaussian channel, guys, this is extremely important. On the Gaussian channel, we had discussed earlier as well, guys, right? If I just zoom into this. So guys, as you can see this right here, that since January of 2022, we are actually testing the lower half of the Gaussian channel on the 5-day chart. There have been instances when there have been wicks which have gone through. Today was another such day. Now this candle closes in about 11 hours from the time of recording. Now it will be important to see whether we treat this bottom layer as a support. What is the bottom layer currently at? It's at about $38,800, right? If we are able to close above this, then we are treating it as a support. Still a likelihood that we might go to the median point and test it. What is the median point? Won't be surprised. The median point is at $47,300, which is coinciding with the 200-day simple moving average as well. So guys, for me personally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell off my Bitcoin and have a lot of cash on my hands if we retest this resistance once more. Okay, if we retest this, then it's well and good. If we don't retest, we will at least retest the 200-day at any given point of time. The 200-day might not be at $47,000 at that point of time. It may be at $44,000, $45,000. I'm gonna empty my bucket, guys, and that is gonna be my strategy, right? None of this is financial advice. Of course, I'm not telling you what to do, but this is what is going to be my strategy, right? If we get a body of a candle closing below the bottom layer, then guys, another 50% dip could be on the cards. Why do we say so? Just look left on the charts, guys. If you just quickly measure this was a dip of about 45%. Mind you, this was a black swan event. Back in 2018, this was another correction of 60%. I have discussed this multiple number of times in the channel as well. So guys, please pay very close attention to these three charts. On the 5-day, track the Gaussian channel like a hawk. On the 3-day, track the death cross, the 50 period and the 200 period like a hawk. And on the daily and the weekly, track the bear flag that we are forming, guys. Okay, so that's pretty much it about this video. If you like this content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. If you want these kind of Bitcoin analysis on the fly, smash up the like button and also share our videos, guys. Let's make some noise for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.